Hey, anyway, so aloha everybody. Welcome to Beach Walks with Rocks. Today is show number 214 and we're here in Waikiki Beach. So I'm thrilled to meet finally in person Mindy Clark, who was one of the people that competed in the Beach Walks 100th show poll. So I'm going to put a reminder link, but her site is outriggercanoe.blogspot.com, and she actually has been on Molokai Friday and Saturday. Saturday, I'm talking now a little bit Australian. Got to be careful of me. Anyway, she's got a lot of videos up of the pre-race preparations over on Molokai, and I'm also here with Robin from Australia, who's done the channel race many times. And shout out to any of your crews.
Hello, back home in Australia, the girls from Surfers Paradise, which is now known as the Southport Yacht Club Outriggers.
Wow, mouthful, huh?
Yes.
Anyway, this is exciting because Mindy has done the race 24 times and been actually a winner 10 times. So I'm literally rub shoulders with her. Maybe it'll rub off on me should I do it again.
Yeah, but I'm all washed up now. My last win was in '96, so that's about 10 years ago. So my reign has come to an end. But Robin here has paddled with my group a few times.
I think we might have ended your reign in '97, actually, and '98. But yeah, I paddled with Mindy in '92 and '90 and '99. So I've had a great time with the Californian girls.
Yeah. So we've got a really interesting cruise this year. We've got, I think, 3 koa canoes that enter, or 2?
Actually, there's 2 koa canoes. There is the Pukea Foundation and Outrigger Canoe Club who's entered, and that's boat 50 and 55.
Excellent. And interesting, the Pukea, I've done a couple shows on Uncle Bobby, who's the living treasure here. The canoe that they're paddling in, the Pukea Foundation, was built by Uncle Bobby's father. And it was built in the early 50s, and it's a master's crew that's paddling it. So the canoe and the women are all about the same age, over 50.
That's terrific.
Yeah. So if you went back and entered the 50s, I'm sure you could smoke that division.
Oh, I don't know. A couple more years will go into the 50s cruise.
Yeah.
You're
Exactly.
just catching your breath, aren't you?
Exactly,
Yeah.
exactly. Well, let's turn our eyes to the hula dancers and get ready for the finishers, who should be coming in any second.
Thank you.
Great, thank you.
Aloha, everybody. We want to congratulate the first 2 crews that came across.
Team Bradley, way to go. Huilanakila, second place.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, are the 2 canoe clubs that have finished first and second. Reminding all you ladies now, the awards banquet that's going to be held in the tropics, right off the beach, at the awards banquet.
There's our girls.